All right, guys, I'm gonna show you how to plug a tire right now. These are brand new tires, 9,000 miles. As you can see right there, got a nail in it. If it's over the sidewall, you can't really plug the tire. Also, if it's too far over here, you know, or on the sidewall, you shouldn't plug it. You gotta get a new tire. What you'll need is pliers, possibly a little screwdriver, something to pry the nail out if you can't get it with your pliers. And then you need a plug kit. It comes with this. Might have some rubber cement, plugs, and then, as you can see, another tool that you use to put the plug in. So to get started, we're gonna try to pry this nail up a little bit. So it's a screw. Looks like a nail, but it's a screw. You can hear some air coming out of the tire. So, see this hole? We're gonna take this rough tool and we're gonna basically clean this hole up as best as possible. Should be good now. Next, you're gonna wanna take your plug and thread it through here about halfway. This is what you're gonna use to insert the plug. You're gonna push down. You're gonna get it about halfway. All right, it took a little bit more. Took a little bit more with that file, cleaned it up the hole, made it a little bit bigger to get this plug in. As you can see, it's about halfway down. There's about an inch, maybe a little less, sticking out. You're gonna use this handle to pull out real quick, and it should leave the plug in there. You can also use rubber cement, which is what I'm going to do. I have a little thing of rubber cement here that came with the slime kit. I'll put a link in the description to this kit from Amazon. I think it was like $6, and this is my third tire that I'm plugging with it, and I have 2 plugs left. So probably just get more plugs, and it's very handy to leave in your car. So let me pull it out right now. And there you can see the plug in there. Gonna hit it with some rubber cement. You could do that before you put the plug in there. I just put a lot. Then I'm gonna use a knife once it dries and just trim. So we'll be back when it dries in a little bit